Planning schedules for manufacturing production is complicated, with conditions constantly in flux and the potential for wasted time, materials, and capital. The rigid, rule-based approaches of giant spreadsheets and one-size-fits-all scheduling software won't solve the problems unique to your manufacturing space. Better Business Analytics takes a different approach. Our software solutions are designed for the specific needs of each company and manufacturing plant. BBA combines advanced mathematical algorithms, artificial intelligence, and digital twin technology to develop truly optimal production schedules that meet the challenges of the moment. In the event of machine downtime, labor shortages, or expedited orders, our solution quickly re-optimizes to give you the production schedule with maximum operational efficiency and productivity. The results are easily quantified in increased throughput, utilization, and ROI. Our customers typically experience a fast payback on their investment in under a year. Beyond implementation, BBA becomes your trusted partner, offering consulting and support services over the long term. For more information about what BBA can do for you, visit bettersolve.com or click to schedule a call with our experts. Better Business Analytics. Optimization made easy.